Welcome. In this episode, we will be building part 1-46E, Injector water valve spindle seal. Let's get building. Welcome to G-Tex Designs. I'm G-Tex. In this episode, we will be building part 1-46E, Injector water valve spindle seal. Let's open up the template, MMGS. Okay, let's go front. Let's see, circle. Do 2 circles. The outside one will be 12. Inside one will be 8. Yep, 12 and 8. And it's going to be the thickness of 3. And done. That's that piece done. Honestly, that is that piece done. So it's going to be like a Teflon it's got in there. So rubber gloss, textured rubber. There we go. So that's that piece done. So thank you for coming along. That's part 1-46E, Injector water valve spindle seal done. So click the like button if you enjoyed. If that's something, well, click the like button. Leave comments, subscribe. I'll see you next episode. And remember, thank you very much.